Hi kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to our channel E-Learning Kids Zone. Kids, today we are going to learn fruits name in English. So let's start. Hi, I am Apple. Hi friends, I am Mango. Hi friends, I am Banana. Hi friends, I am Orange. Can you guess my name? My name is Watermelon. Hi friends, my name is Grapes. Hi friends, I am Strawberry. My name is Pineapple. My name is Pomegranate. Hi friends, I am Kiwi. Can you guess my name? My name is Pear. Hi friends, I am Cherry. Hi friends, we are Blueberry. Hope you like our videos. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye kids.